Alrighty, thanks for joining me. My name is Chase Moses, and today I will be talking a little bit about my application that I have built. It is an ASP.NET Core MVC application that was completed for my CIT 365 course. They provide a little tutorial here that they want you to complete, and all of the requirements here for that tutorial completion. And once that tutorial is complete, I have additional requirements that I'm required to do once that tutorial is complete. So I will drop a link to the tutorial down in the description below for anyone who wants to tackle that. And let's go ahead and get started. This video's purpose is to show how I've completed the content and the requirements thereof. So we'll go ahead and get started. Number one, the movie database should only be church-themed movies for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. These movies will include things like The RM, Other Side of Heaven, Meet the Mormons. And when we come here to our list of movies here, we can see that that is the case. We got Meet the Mormons, Mobsters and Mormons, Other Side of Heaven, the Singles Ward and the Single Second Ward, things of that nature, with their accompanying release date, genre, price, I believe, on Amazon, and their ratings as well. Alrighty, make sure the HTML title of each page are reflective. Let's see, of the purpose of the page and application. We've got church movie page for the main page. We come here to edit. You see it says edit church movie and things like that. Details are details for the church movie app. And delete, same thing, delete for the church movie app. And you can see here, as I'm going through all of these, the overall layout of each page here. The headings and content descriptions should be altered to reflect the church movies and themes and purpose of the page, which I've done. If we click on Inspired Guns and click Edit, a place to edit the church movie, Inspired Guns. We come back and go down here, a place to edit the church movie, Single Second Word. And we've done that with the details. Details for Inspired Guns, showing pertinent information including the image of the movie. And delete. Are you sure you want to delete this? Kind of a quick little warning there. The footer should contain copyright with the current year, your name, and your state or country, which I have put there. The current year, my name, and state. Add the ability to sort all movies by the release date, which I have. If we go ahead and click this, it is now sorted from oldest to newest, 2001 to 2014. And we can go the opposite way as well. Now it's sorted from newest to oldest. So we can do that. When creating a new movie, restrict the genre field to allow choices using a drop-down selection. If we do a create, we can type in some information here, and I have made sure to add in the different genres that I want to use. Update the movie model to store the image name as a string, which I have. It doesn't quite show it in here, but when you create a new one, you can see, kind of put that in there. So this is taking a string, and once I submit that, it'll be an image, and it'll pull it up and render it as an image when you go to the the details. And you can click edit, and you can also edit that picture if you wanted to change it for something else. You could add an image of your movie in the details view, which we have here. There's Inspired Guns. We've got, let's do Mobsters and Mormons, the Singles Ward. We'll do Meet the Mormons. So those also pop up. Change the color scheme from black, white to a color scheme of your choice, which I have chosen. I chose a kind of a sapphire blue as well as more of a greenish color. Try to do white here to signify the filter option. Although I think an image next to it might be better to indicate, hey, this is a filterable column. But that's about it. Those are the requirements, and it looks like it works according to the requirements specified, and as well as the tutorial here as well. So thanks for taking the time to watch this, and you have a great day.